Butterfly Pea Flower Tea, commonly known as blue tea, is a caffeine-free herbal tea. Benefits of butterfly pea flower tea: rich in antioxidants, boosts brain and memory, good for eyes, reduces stress, improves immunity, aids digestion, detoxifies body, fun color change with lemon. To make butterfly pea flower tea, boil 1 cup of water and add 7 dried butterfly pea flowers. Let it steep for 10 minutes until it turns deep blue. Strain the flowers and add honey or sugar if desired. For a fun twist, add a few drops of lemon juice to change the color to purple. Serve hot or with ice for refreshing iced tea.